Hello students, welcome to my channel KT's Commerce Classes. Again today labor cost part 3. We have discussed here two formulas. Wages under Halsey plan. What is the formula for wages under Halsey plan? Equals to hours worked into rate per hour plus 50% in bracket time allowed minus time taken bracket close into rate per hour. Equals to, we can say, time wages plus 50% time allowed minus time taken, we can say time saved. So 50% of time saved into rate per hour. Number 2, wages under one plan equals to, in bracket, hours worked into rate per hour. This is time wages plus bonus will be time saved divided by time allowed in bracket time taken into rate per hour. One question has been given regarding Rowan plan and Halsey plan. In an organization where Rowan plan is in operation, A and B can earn rupees 32 and 33.75 respectively on a job for which standard time is fixed at 12 hours. So standard time is what? Time allowed is how much given? 12 hours. Rate rupees 3 per hour. Calculate what will be their earnings if Halsey plan is adopted. So in the question, what plan has been adopted? Rowan plan has been adopted. What are the data given? Data given time allowed. Equals to how much given? 12 hours. Rate per hour how much given? Rate per hour given rupees 3. Let A takes X hours. A takes X hours. Now according to Rowan plan, equals to hours worked into rate per hour plus time saved divided by time allowed into, in bracket, time taken into rate per hour. Now here hour work how much given? The wages under Rowan plan for A how much given? That is given 32 equals to hours work we have taken X, rate per hour is 3 plus time saved. What is time saved? Time saved means time allowed minus time taken. So time allowed how much given? 12 minus time taken is X divided by time allowed 12 in bracket time taken X into 3 equals to 3x plus 12 minus x divided by 12 into 3x equals to, LCM will be 4, it will be 12x plus 48 plus 12x minus x square equals to how much given? 32. or 128 equals to 24x minus x square or x square minus 24x plus 128 equals to 0, or x square minus 16x minus 8x plus 128 equals to 0, or if we take x common, it will be x minus 16 minus 8 common, it will be x minus 16 equals to 0, or x minus 16 x minus 8 equals to 0. Either x minus 16 equals to 0 or x minus 8 equals to 0. That is x equals to 16, that is x equals to 8. Since maximum time for working is 12 hours, so A has taken 8 hours. Now under Halsey plan, time taken for A into rate per hour plus 50% time saved into rate per hour. %50 of time saved into rate per hour. Time taken for A, how much given? How much we calculated? We calculated 8 into rate per hour given 3 plus 50%. Time saved means that is 12 minus 8 into rate per hour is 3 equals to 24 plus 1 by 2 into 4 into 3 equals to 24 plus 6 equals to rupees 30. Wages under Rowan plan, hours worked into rate per hour plus time saved divided by time allowed in bracket time taken into rate per hour. Time allowed given 12 hours, rate per hour 3, let B has taken Y hours. So question given, B's earnings is how much? 33.75 equals to hours worked, Y into rate per hour is 3 plus time saved. Time saved means time allowed minus time taken. So time allowed 12 hours, time taken Y divided by time allowed 12 in bracket Y into 3. Removing the decimal 33.3375 divided by 100 equals to 3Y plus 12 minus Y divided by 12 into 3Y. 3 4 ja 12 cancel. After doing simplification, 12y plus 12y minus y square whole divided by 4 equals to 3375 divided by 100. 104 cancel, it will be 25. Again 3375 divided by 25 equals to 135 equals to 24y minus y square, or middle term y square minus factorization we did, y square minus 24y plus 135 equals to 0, y square minus 15y minus 9y plus 135 equals to 0, or we have taken common y minus 15 minus 9 we have taken common, y minus 15 equals to 0, so y minus 15 is a factor, y minus 9 is a factor. Either y minus 15 equals to 0, that is y equals to 15, or y minus 9 equals to 0, that is y equals to 9. Since the maximum time is 12 hours, so B worked for 9 hours. Under Halsey plan, hours worked into rate per hour plus 50% of time saved into rate per hour. So hour worked, we have calculated just now how much, 9 hours into rate per hour 3 plus 50% into time saved. Time saved, it will be time allowed given 12, time taken 9 means 12 minus 9 3 into rate per hour 3. So 27 plus mathematical calculation we did 4.5. So 27 plus 4.5 equals to rupees 31.5. This is the wage payment under Halsey plan.